everyone, this tree is called Ampel Barang. Ampel Barang. Here's the leaf of it. So it's give a lot of shade for this one. From this tree. It's the very big tree if we leave it for a long time. So it's good for furniture use too. It's like a local type of wood. So that's called French tamarind. French tamarind. Ampel Barang. Ampel Barang. And another word is called Chankiri. Chankiri. Some people call it Chankiri and some people would call it Ampel Barang. Ampel Barang. Literally translated as Chankiri. French tamarind. French tamarind. Thank you everyone for watching. And this is the leaf of it. It looks like this. So when you can see the leaf of it, this is the bud, truy. So this is called Chankiri. Chankiri. French tamarind. French tamarind. Ampel Barang. Ampel Barang. Thank you everyone for watching.